So he can actually learn a little bit. Okay. Let's see what he does.
Stop.
So every time that dog barks, I'm going to click and treat him. Even though I'm training him for the crate.